right now in Philadelphia, 90 in D.C. Notice how back through the central and western part of the state, temperatures are in the 70s, and that's because of the rain that's moving in. So out ahead of that, we do have some building instability. That's what this map shows here. There back into central Pennsylvania, a fair amount of instability right out ahead of this area of storms that is rolling across the state. Here locally right now, all is calm. We have a passing shower, actually those showers that just moved through the Trenton area. We're producing some severe weather back into Lancaster earlier on this morning. They weakened as they moved east. The air over Philadelphia is relatively stable, but I think as we head through the next couple of hours, the instability will increase along with those temperatures increasing as well. Here's our ongoing severe weather over portions of Pennsylvania back into West Virginia. A couple of flash flood warnings near Pittsburgh as this area of storms races to the south and east, really coming off of an area of disturbed weather that's rolling in mainly in the upper levels of the atmosphere. But we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect west of Philly. This does include Lancaster, but otherwise no counties in the immediate Philadelphia area underneath this watch. But I would not be surprised if we get a second watch issued as those storms back through the central part of the state move to the east. So we may see another severe thunderstorm watch issued. This one goes until 7. I'd probably venture a guess that the next severe thunderstorm watch, if it's issued, would go until around 9 o'clock. I'll show you why here in just a second. But in terms of our potential for severe storms today, it's a level 2 out of 5. So again, not 0, but not the greatest that's on the scale here. This is a slight risk of severe storms. Damaging winds will be the primary concern. There is a threat for some tornadoes generally south and west of our area, but even as these storms move into Philly, or at least the Philly region, we'll have to watch for a little spin in the atmosphere that may produce an isolated tornado. Here's the futurecast here as we go through the afternoon. Those storms starting to roll into our western counties around 3 or 4 o'clock, so we'll take you through CBS Philadelphia at 4, 5, and 6 o'clock. As the storms will be rolling through, meteorologist Andrew Kozak will be in as well, so the two of us will really be keeping a close eye on these storms as they move into that I-95 corridor. I mean, that's the heart of the evening commute right there. 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Heavy rainfall to say the least, and then we could get some damaging winds embedded within these storms as they drop to the south and east. So moving through Delaware into South Jersey and then heading up the shore points, especially the southern half of the shore from AC down to Cape May, Wildwood, likely seeing some heavy rainfall, some gusty winds and the like. That should start to clear out. There's 9 o'clock, so that's why I'm thinking if we get another severe thunderstorm watch, that would likely go until 9 o'clock. After that, I think we should be home free for the rest of the night. Just a mix of sun and clouds. We'll start off our Tuesday morning with partly cloudy skies. Here's how tomorrow morning shapes up, though. This cold front, though, sneaks in from the north, and it really doesn't produce much of a threat for showers for the first half of the day. But by around lunchtime, maybe a little after, as the heating of the day develops, those storms will likely begin to redevelop on that front as it continues to push to the south. So once again, looking at the possibility of some scattered storms tomorrow, maybe some severe weather with that. But as that front pushes to the south tomorrow, so will go that chance for storms moving south of Philly and then really south of most of the area tomorrow afternoon. And then the heat finally breaks. 88 degrees on Wednesday. A couple of showers possible early in the day on Wednesday. A passing shower possible on Thursday and Friday. But right now, Friday, Saturday looking to be the best days over the next 7 days with high temperatures in the 80s and low temperatures in the 60s. We're back here in about 45 minutes or so right here at the top of the hour with another live update. In the meantime, I'm CBS Philadelphia meteorologist Grant Gilmore. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and we'll see you back here at 2 o'clock.